Hey guys, it's Chris Bahari, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own camera handle. Do it yourself. So, first thing first, things you're going to need. 2 L brackets. You can get these at Lowe's. Everything here you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. 2 L brackets. I recommend the 6-inch. It's perfect for my camcorder. So get 2 of those. Get 3, at least 3 1/4 by 3/4 inches bits. What that means is the diameter is 1/4 and it's 3/4 inches long. Get 3 of those and 3 1/4 wide nuts, a washer, duct tape, insulating foam, and one more thing, scissors or something to cut duct tape and insulating foam. So, first thing, I'm going to take these 2 L brackets, line them up, take your bolt, your screw, put it in like that, so it's in there, and then take your nut, put it on there, screw it on, get it tight, and the other one, on the other side, exact same thing. Get a ratchet, put it to right. Just get it really tight. Alright, so you got that. It's real strong, no shaking at all. You want it as tight as possible. Alright, so then get your insulating foam and get the insulating foam with the 2 adhesive sticky tabs so that you can just peel it off. You want to measure the body, your scissors. You can mark it. I'm just going to cut it. Alright, so now what we're about to do is put this around here for support. So be very careful because this stuff is super sticky. So I like to bend it out first. Take the tab off, throw it away, just put it over there for now. Make sure these two don't touch each other. And just put this, let me get closer. Put it around the back. Around the back, like that. And just you get it together. It's kind of hard, but you'll get it. You'll get it. I can't get it on this side, so get your duct tape, measure it out. I recommend getting black duct tape. It looks better. Just get it long enough to go around it at least once. Just cut it. I'm horrible at cutting, so that's what this. Oh, did pretty good. So never mind, I'll fast forward that. And since this isn't sticking, I'm going to pull it together as tight as possible. Oops. Tape that together. I did this earlier and it stuck together, so whatever. And pull it tight. Alright, and do that for the other 2 sides. So I'm going to skip to that. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like when you're done. You'll have something like this. If you use black tape, it looks a lot better. And you do the same thing for the top for grip. I've already done that. So looks like this. Just slide that on there. So it looks like that. And then you don't have to, but I'm going to take that piece around there. Alright, so you take, let's move this out the way, we're done with this for now. Take your washer, your bolt, in your nut, the last one you have left. You put the washer on. You only need one washer if you get the 3 3/4 inch. If you get the 3/4, you only need one washer. If you get longer, you'll need more. I bought more, but yeah. Then you screw this on. Right. And you use the first one. Just put it in there. You take your camera and you screw it on. And that's pretty much it. If you want, you can put a piece of black tape here so it looks better. And if you use black tape, one more thing, it looks a lot better than this. So that's how to make a camera handle. I'll make some more footage, like me using it, pictures of it, and the test footage of someone holding it while I'm skating, or the other way around. So see you guys later. Subscribe.
Oh my God.